This is Jan Niesel. Jan is responsible for sales here with us. To make it even easier for you to find out which machine is the perfect fit for your application, our business case calculator is now available directly on our website. Jan will show you how it works. First, head over to the Aconity3D website and simply click the Business Case Calculator button. Easy, right? Now just upload your CAD file, select the material you want and define your batch size. After that, add your individual production parameters. And here it is, a clear and detailed breakdown of your part costs. Instantly identify the biggest cost drivers and see exactly where the greatest saving potential lies in your manufacturing process. But we don't stop there. It analyzes your data and recommends the Aconity3D machine configuration that delivers the best price-performance ratio for your specific application. Tailored and efficient. Try it out yourself now.